Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace background of your image in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Now you can click AI powered. You can scroll down and then try to find replace background. One click change the background of the image. So here you can remove and change the background of any image using the power of AI. Simply upload your image and our AI will handle the rest, giving you professional quality product photo in seconds. Click use in your new design. Here you have to upload an image or select one in your design to change the background. Accepted file formats: JPEG, JPG, PNG, WEBP. And here we go. A background prompt, a bottle floating in the starry sky, or you can try a so here, please wait, complex images can take a little longer. Here we go. This is the result. This is the before and this is the after. It's not perfect, but you have, if you want to be a perfect image, you have to a more detail to describe your backgrounds. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.